So today I did a haircut implementing scissor over comb. Now, I could have used the clippers on this haircut, but I decided I wanted to have fun using scissor over comb, so that's what I did. We took the sides and back a little bit shorter, left the top a little bit longer. If you guys have any questions or comments, please never hesitate to reach out. You can always hit me up on the comment section down below. Hey, and if you guys like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and thank you so very much again for watching. All right, so here is the before. And here is me getting started. So the very first thing I'm going to do is I am going to cut the upper half of the sides and back through my fingers all the way around the head. So I'm going to establish the length that's going to separate the sides from the top, and I'm going to do that by cutting the hair through my fingers. So I'm going to go all the way around the head, establish that length, and then we'll get into the scissor over comb. Alright, it is now time to scissor over comb the lower portion of the sides and back and blend it into the upper portion of the sides and back, which I just completed cutting through my fingers. So now I've got the trimmers, and basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to work my way around the outline and the hairline of the haircut, cleaning up the neck, cleaning up the sideburns, cleaning up around the ear using the trimmers, and then I will go back into the scissor over comb technique utilizing the smaller tooth comb, the barbering comb, so that I can take the outline nice and tight, nice and short, and nice and clean. so now that I have finished using the trimmers to clean up the hairline, I'm going to take the smaller tooth barbering comb and scissor over comb the outline all the way around the head, just to clean up and soften the outline so it's more of a blended, faded outline versus a harder line. So now it is time to cut the hair on top of the head, and my model likes to keep the hair on the top of his head a little bit longer, so as you can see, we're taking very little off the top, but just cleaning and straightening up the shape so that it's a nice square shape up on top. So now I am just implementing the twist technique just to give my model a little bit of texture on the top of his hair. In the event that he wants some versatility and style his hair differently from day to day, he'll have that ability. If he wants to just kind of style his hair, brush it back, he can definitely do so. However, if he chooses to one day style his hair with a little bit of texture, make it look a little bit messy, kind of chunky, a little disheveled, he'll have that versatility to be able to do that as well. So now I'm putting a little bit of pomade, kind of just showing my model what I mean by wearing his hair with a little texture, and then also smoothing it out. As you can see, he's able to have that versatility whenever he dresses his hair, and we are now officially done with the haircut. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, please never hesitate to put them down in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And I want to thank you so very much again for watching. So today I did a haircut implementing scissor over comb. Now, I could have used the clippers on this haircut, but I decided I wanted to have fun using scissor over comb, so that's what I did. We took the sides and back a little bit shorter, left the top a little bit longer. If you guys have any questions or comments, please never hesitate to reach out. You can always hit me up in the comment section down below. Hey, and if you guys like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and thank you so very much again for watching.